the heat of the valley on Tuesday, the weight of the struggle was pressing my chest. It was heavy. I looked at the mountain and asked for a sign. Then a frequency started to move in my spirit, moving deep inside. It wasn't a secret or a quiet thought. It was a roar rising up from the dust. Jesus, the name that shakes the atmosphere, the name of power. One shout and the whole world has to listen. He has authority of it. The battlefield belongs to the King of Kings. He won it all. No more hiding in the corner of my doubt. The clouds are breaking and the rain is falling. Sweet rain, sweet rain. The sound waves are crashing against the wall. Every dark thing is running for the exit. They have to go. They have to go. The report is clear and the victory is signed. We don't have to wait for tomorrow to win. Jesus, the name that shakes the atmosphere, the name of power. One shout and the whole world has to listen. He has authority of it. The battlefield belongs to the King of Kings. He won it all. The name is a weapon. It's a weapon. The name is a shield. It's a shield. The name is the answer. The name is the answer. Every time. The name is the finish. Jesus. Victory in the name. Oh. Jesus, Jesus. Power in the name. Power in the name. Jesus, Jesus. Oh. Victory in the name. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Authority in the name. Jesus, Jesus. Nothing can stand. When we call him, when we shout him, he has the authority. Jesus. It is finished.